Chief Minister Siddaramaiah on Saturday called for strong governance and stable policy frameworks to drive India's transition towards clean and sustainable energy. Addressing the International Conference on Sustainable Energy and Agenda for India at 2047 in Bengaluru, Siddaramaiah said governments must act as enablers by investing in innovation and ensuring that clean energy remains an affordable and accessible to all sections of society. He stressed that public policy must align economic growth with environmental responsibility. The Chief Minister said the conference assumes significance as India approaches 100 years of independence and prepares for a historic transformation. He described the event as a multidisciplinary platform bringing together law, governance, technology and justice. Highlighting global challenges, Siddaramaiah said the energy transition stands at a critical juncture with extreme weather events, resource stress and ecological imbalance affecting livelihoods worldwide. He stressed that while the clean energy transition is essential, it must be guided by equity and justice. He also said developed nations which have historically contributed the most to carbon emissions must take greater responsibility through emission reductions, technology transfer, climate finance and capacity building for developing countries. Referring to the Sustainable Development Goals, Siddaramaiah said India's path must be a balanced growth with sustainability and inclusiveness. He emphasized that energy is not just a resource but the backbone of dignity, development and resilience. The Chief Minister said markets alone cannot ensure equity for long-term sustainability and therefore strong and visionary governance is necessary. He also highlighted the judiciary's role in protecting environmental justice and intergenerational equity, noting that the Supreme Court has expanded the right to life to include the right to a clean and healthy environment. Speaking about Karnataka's progress, Siddaramaiah said the state is at the forefront of India's renewable energy journey. Karnataka currently has an installed renewable energy capacity of over 25,700 megawatt, including more than 10,500 megawatt of solar, nearly 3,800 megawatt of hydropower, and close to 7,900 megawatt of wind energy. He added that Karnataka is strengthening grid infrastructure, promoting green hydrogen, developing energy storage systems, and expanding energy access to energy households. The state is also targeting over 38 gigawatt of additional wind and solar capacity under its resource adequacy plan. Highlighting skill development initiatives, Siddaramaiah said programs such as Surya Mitra and Vayu Mitra, along with collaborations with global institutions, are preparing the next generation to lead the clean energy transition. Calling for a long-term vision, Siddaramaiah said the transition to sustainable energy is not just about reducing carbon footprints but about reshaping development, ensuring that growth does not come at the cost of the planet and that progress includes all sections of society.